With the app open on the phone and a Wi-Fi connection established, choose a feature, like front audio. Now you have control of the front audio system, except volume control, from any connected smartphone. Changing rear climate settings? No problem, as long as the rear lock isn't engaged by someone up front. On models with a rear entertainment system, the entertainment system's remote control and its functions can be displayed on each connected phone. And on navigation-equipped models, you can send a new destination or point of interest to the navigation system from a connected phone even while the vehicle is moving. You can even create a social playlist of songs with each phone or compatible mobile device adding to it. Just select the song and add it to the list. To manage your social playlist, touch the Social Playlist app from the Display Audio home screen, then select Queue. To play a song, just select it from the list. To remove a song, select the X for that song in the list. To clear the list, select Clear Queue.